Stop texting her good morning. I know that sounds insane. Every dating guru on this app is telling you to double text, to compliment her more, to be more available. And that's exactly why you're stuck in the friend zone, watching her chase guys who barely reply. The truth nobody wants to say out loud. The moment she feels like she has you, she stops chasing you. In the next 4 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact shift, not a trick, not a manipulation tactic, that flips this dynamic almost every single time. Watch till the end, because the last one is the one 90% of guys get backwards. Here's the mistake. Guys think playing hard to get means disappearing, ghosting, being cold. That's not it. That's just being unavailable, and unavailable people don't get chased. They get forgotten. What actually works is scarcity of presence. You show up fully when you're there. You're engaged, funny, warm, and then you leave. Not because you're punishing her, but because you have an actual life to get back to. Think about it from her side. A guy who's always available has nothing pulling him elsewhere. A guy with a full life, real goals, real friends. He's a mystery she has to work to stay close to. That's not a trick. That's just a man with a life. And it's magnetic because it's real. Second shift, and this one's harder to hear. If you need her to like you, she can feel it. And it repels her. Every text you send out of anxiety, every "did I do something wrong?" every over-explaining, that's you handing her your self-worth and asking her to hold on to it. Nobody chases something they're already holding. The fix isn't fake confidence. It's building an actual life where her interest is a bonus, not the foundation. Hit the gym, build your income, deepen your friendships. When your sense of self isn't hanging on her next reply, you stop performing. And paradoxically, that's when women start performing for you. Here's a psychology principle called the Ben Franklin effect. We grow to like people more after we've done something for them, not the other way around. Most guys do the opposite. They overgive upfront, pay for everything, plan every date, chase every conversation. That feels generous, but it actually kills attraction because she never gets the chance to invest in you. Let her plan the second date sometimes. Let her text first. Ask her opinion instead of always leading. Small moments where she puts in effort are the moments she starts convincing herself she likes you. Not because you told her to, but because that's how human psychology actually works. And here's the one most guys get exactly backwards. Standards aren't something you perform. They're something you enforce. Saying, "I have high standards," while dropping everything the second she texts back isn't standards. It's a slogan. Real standards look like calmly ending a call because you have somewhere to be. Not being available at midnight because you go to bed at a decent hour. Not chasing an explanation when she's inconsistent. Just noticing and adjusting your effort to match hers. Women don't chase men who talk about their worth. They chase men who visibly, quietly act like they already know it. Presence, not disappearance. Show up fully, then go live your life. Don't outsource your validation to her replies. Let her invest. Stop doing all the work. Enforce your standards instead of announcing them. None of this is manipulation. It's the simple truth that people chase what feels earned, not what's handed to them for free. Build the life first. The chasing becomes the side effect, not the goal. If this hit different, hit subscribe. I'm breaking down the psychology of attraction every single week. No fluff, no fake gimmicks. See you in the next one.